Hi friends, this is my another exciting toy. The name is Parrot A.R.Drone 2.0 Power Elite. I purchased this from Australia and I'm really excited to open this, and let's go. I will show you what's inside the box. Okay, so here we go. Yep, first I'm going to share some information with you, like which I'm facing. I purchased this and I thought it is a small box, but it's a huge box, around 23 by 23 inches and 6-inch depth. So please keep it in your mind that your luggage size should be around 2 feet. Okay, and keep it in your mind that custom departments do not allow you to carry the battery in your luggage. So make sure you take out your batteries and carry in your handbag, otherwise you will damage your box like me. Okay, because we don't know how to open this and I'm trying to pulling this, so I just damage the box. So anyways, I'm going to open this. Okay, and here is my AR drone, the quadcopter. It has three another set of propellers. This is orange and another orange one and one blue one. 3, 4 for 8 and for 12 and for 16. There is 16 propellers, and this is the battery charger, and here is the plugs. You can change this as per your country standard, and here is the small manual. You can read this later. And here is the spare battery, the second one. It's AR.Drone 2.0 1500 mAh battery, high density battery. You can fly this air drone around 36 minutes. And here I'm going to pull this out. It's very difficult to pull this with one hand. Actually, I'm using my one hand. And here is the hood. You can use this for exterior flights. Okay, and here is some other things as well. There is some locks. Okay, and the stickers for your exterior hood. You can stick this on that, and here is the another thick manual, so please read this because there is many term and conditions. Okay, it's very lightweight, and I'm going to remove its hood, the interior hood. You just pull this from the back and remove this, and here is the battery, the first one, and I'm going to connect the wires. It's already charged, so you don't need to charge in your first flight or a test. Later you can charge this, and here I turn this on and the lights going to green from the red, and here is the all the lights and it's ready for the fly. Now you just install the AR.Drone app in your smartphone or tablet and set as per your convenience. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Thank you.